Join us at this year's Young Adult Conference,
tagged Repositioned to Greater Height 2024,
happening July 4 to 7 in Repositioned, Connecticut. Join us at Repositioned to Greater Heights 2024.
Surely if you seek, you will find him.
To reposition means to adjust, alter, and realign our lives.
In your current season in life, what areas do you think need realignment?
Spiritually,
emotionally,
mentally,
financially, or in your relationships?
God, if you just do this for me, I'll follow you. He redirects you, straightens your path, realigns you to His will, and repositions you.
Many people promise, and it quickly leads to a habit of becoming too comfortable, seeking God only when we need something.
God isn't your genie. He wants to elevate you to greater heights, to help you soar like an eagle.
Stop settling for temporary solutions that leave you thirsty, torn, and confused.
Come to Reposition 2024. Draw from the well that provides everlasting water,
healing, and abundant life.
Step out in faith, knowing that if you ask, you will receive.
If you seek, you will find.
If you knock, the door will be opened. Join us at this year's Young Adult Conference,
Repositioned to Greater Height 2024, happening July 4th to July 7th in New Britain, Connecticut.
For surely, if you seek, you will find Him.